So the first thing that we can insert inside Microsoft Excel is pictures. And as you see, I can come to Insert tab, and using pictures, my picture can be either placed in a cell or placed over cells. So I start with place in cell, for example. As you see, for all, we have plenty of options. We can insert from this device, stock images, or online pictures. So I use this device and try to choose the logo to our college to be placed inside the cell. So this is, as you see, again, place in cell. And this is, as you see, what we have here. I can come to home and using this cells part, and inside formats, I can change the height to the entire row in order to see my logo better, as you see. So this is one option that we have for images. Another option, as you saw, is placing over cells, which will happen like this, as you can see. So I'm having this image of mine placed over the cells that we have. The video you just watched is a part of the Takeoff College, the smartest alternative currently available for the traditional education. If you are looking for improving your real-world skills with project-oriented courses, or if you are looking to increase the value of your time on a daily basis as either an employee or a business owner, for over 15 courses bundle, plus our over 50 upcoming courses and all the updates, plus individual certificates of completion for each course, obtain your lifetime access today, paying our one-time fee with a great discount inside www.thetakeoffcollege.com. Learn more in order to earn more. It's always been like that. See you inside the program.